So I failed the challenge. That's right, I gave up. I gave up the challenge. I failed, but it's okay. Because here's why I failed. Let me explain while I make cheeseburgers, okay? Look at how disgusting, oh my god. That's from last night making cheeseburgers. I need to clean this off. I should have cleaned it off last night, but I was so tired I just went to sleep. And if we look here, oh my god. So, last night, which wasn't actually last night, it was like 2 weeks ago, because I'm now in a different Airbnb than I had at the time, but I was walking around Magic Kingdom, which is where I was, with Russ, and my back was in just so much pain. It was in so much pain that I wasn't even enjoying any aspect of Disney World at all. And when that happens, that's a problem, because I always enjoy Magic Kingdom, but my back was in so much pain that I couldn't even enjoy anything that I was doing, which sucks really bad, because it was going really well. Living in the car was going really well. I had some problems on day 3. I was like annoyed by that I had to set everything up every time I wanted to do anything, but that's life. I said that I got some really good sleep, and that is true. I did sleep really well, but when I woke up, my back was in pain. So that's why I ended the challenge, because there's no point in trying to save money, in doing some crazy challenge, if you're just not going to have fun. There's no point in it at all. It would just be stupid to continue at that point. So, was it a failure? Absolutely not, because I learned exactly why I failed, and I learned a problem. I knew it was a problem. I knew I had to figure it out. I knew I had to get a flat surface in my car if I'm going to actually live in my car, but that's only one of the few problems that I learned about. I've also learned another thing. Setting up my camera, setting up my monitors for streaming, setting up my phone to broadcast Wi-Fi, it's all a huge hassle. It's a huge hassle, and it takes a lot of time out of my day, as opposed to when I'm in an Airbnb, I have my computer already set up over there. I never have to take it down, it's just set up the whole time I'm in this Airbnb. I move it once a month when I Airbnb hop. That's it. It saves me so much time to not have to set it up every single day. So that's another problem. It just wastes a lot of time. Now, one thing that's really weird about it, though, is that I actually got a lot more done while I was living in the car than I did here when I don't have to deal with that. Which is weird, because you would think it'd be the opposite. So that's kind of something interesting. I don't know what it means, but okay. That just means I'm not as efficient in my daily life, you know. There's more distractions, like, oh, I can play a video game, or oh, I can watch this on Netflix. And I didn't really have that in the car. So this is clean now, so I can mix my raw meat in this container here, which is awesome. Set that off to the side. Now another thing that I have learned after ending the challenge is that it's really nice to be able to make cheeseburgers on this device. I did actually try this device. I haven't even showed this to you. This device right here, the griddle that needs to be cleaned immediately. This device, it's really cool because I can just make freaking cheeseburgers. I can cook eggs and all that stuff. It's really cool to be able to use it. So let's clean it off so I can make some cheeseburgers here. That being said, I tried to use it on my car. That's the whole reason I bought this, was because I was actually planning on going back in and living from my car at some point. I just ended the challenge for now until I could figure out these problems. But I've had some time to reflect. I'm not gonna live in my car ever. I don't want to live in my car unless it's a necessity. I tried to use this on my car, and there's no reason it shouldn't have worked, but you'll see what happened here. So roll the clips. I have been eating like basically nothing but McDonald's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the past several weeks because the app is fantastic and you get to save so much money, but that's gonna kill me. So I decided I'm gonna start eating healthier. So here's what I did, and this will work in my freaking car. If everything goes according to plan, this will work. I bought this device right here. This is a 1400 watt kind of portable thing that you can cook pancakes on, bacon on, eggs on, so on and so forth. Having 1 or 2 eggs for breakfast is much more healthy than having McDonald's for breakfast, right? What's funny about this also is that because it's 1400 watts, I can use this in my car with my power inverter. Not in the car, but I would use it on like my trunk or something. So I can literally cook eggs from my car if it works according to plan. My issue, I'll explain once we try it on the car, which I'm a little bit scared for. I'll explain why. I do want to test it out and see if it works, so I'm gonna grill some lovely eggs. Not grill, but cook eggs. You know, I don't know cooking terms. I'm gonna put eggs on here, they're gonna heat up and become cooked. So now it's time to unbox this box. Are you excited? I'm crouching, okay. Unbox therapy style unboxing here. Living in a freaking car. This is what I have to freaking do to make eggs. Or I could just buy eggs that are already made from Denny's. That costs money, eggs are so cheap. But then again, how am I gonna store the eggs in my car? Oh well, I can make pancakes. I can store those in my car. I can use this for anything. So we'll just the thought that I can actually make eggs from my car just really just excites and tickles my fancy. Let's get this thing open here. Oh my god, it's huge. Well, it's not that big. It's average size. It's average size, right? Unlike my penis, which is small. Let's open these flaps here. Oh geez, this brings back memories from when I used to be a gaming channel. I would unbox stuff like the Nintendo Switch. Holy Switch. The Nintendo Switch is in my hands. Oh my goodness. Ready for the big part? No freaking way. Look at that. Jesus. Some plastic, electric griddle is what it's called. Does it need to be washed for first time use? Probably. Oh, this is how it heats up. Maybe in Florida you don't even need a griddle. You can just put the eggs and crack them open like on your car and it will just work because it's so hot. This is the grease thing that you can grease yourself. Oh geez. And of course, I'm gonna put this on the floor for now. The electric stabby stab right here. There's even a little protector for this. That's actually kind of not a bad idea, really, because it prevents these from bending, which happens all the time when you have stuff just being thrown in a freaking car. So that's good and everything. It is ready to go. Let's give it a wash. This is it feels so weird to be doing this. It doesn't feel natural, but hey, that's okay. Get this soap. See, this is the problem though that I'll have to face when I actually like do this in a car. I'll have to figure out how to wash this. I can't just take it in a freaking, I guess I could just take it into a public restroom, but that would look so weird. Bringing your used griddle into a public restroom to wash it, that would look so strange. I could do it, I guess, but very easy cleaning it for the first time because there's nothing has been cooked. Nothing has been cooked on here yet, so it's very easy to just rinse it all off, Daddy. Daddy. Oh yes, Daddy. Oh yes, Daddy. Daddy. Rinse me off, Daddy. I thought I came, but I peed on the dick. Pubic hair got inches, that's weave on the dick. Okay, that's clean to me, right? Okay. That is clean. You can't see me. That's okay. I don't really care. I like to put this here, flipped like that. The grease thing, this soap is gonna need to go out of the way also. The grease thing goes right there to catch all the grease, okay? And now we just have to plug it in and see if it actually works. So, I'm not really quite sure what's gonna insert fully, okay. It is fully inserted. Now I plug it in. This is 1400 watts. So if I turn it on, I'm gonna make it like 250 degrees and see what happens. We'll just wait for that to get, it's already warming up. So while that's warming up, I also got a spatula. Ignore the mess there, who cares? That I'm gonna have to wash also, god damn. I don't wanna wash, okay, I'm gonna wash it. I hate washing stuff, it's so time consuming. Right next to my burning hot surface there, I'm just gonna scrub this down here, the whole thing, just scrub it, because you can't really flip eggs. Imagine if I didn't get a spatula. I would just be like, I'm not that dumb, but I would be, if I cracked an egg on there, I would not even know what to do. I would have to get like a fork, and I also got some off-brand pan, because can't afford that. I'm living in a car. So I hear crackling, that's from the water, So I don't know what temperature I need to set this at to make eggs, but we're gonna freaking find out now, aren't we? Eggs is one of the easiest things to make, so let's just put that there. Cardboard probably should go away from the hot surface. Can't really make eggs unless I'm able to buy like 2 individual eggs, because I can't store them in my car. Although I kind of have an idea. If I'm somewhere that is not hot, I could actually store eggs, because eggs do not have to be refrigerated. Not organic eggs absolutely need to be refrigerated. They're porous, they need to be refrigerated. But if you get like farm eggs, they can just be left at room temperature. I'm not even joking. So if I'm somewhere that's not hot, I could theoretically just not. Oh my god, there's no garbage disposal here, is there? I'm gonna throw it away then. All right, let's crack it. Boom. That's a horrible crack, but hey, it looks like it's cooking immediately. I didn't spray the pan. I'm an idiot. I didn't spray the pan. That's okay. We'll just do it next time. I'll actually just do it now. Jesus. Oh God. There we go. It's splattered everywhere. Oh geez. That's disgusting and gross and nasty. I really hope that this actually works on my car. If I don't use it at full temperature, it'll definitely work. I know that. Because I'll be using less electricity, hopefully. Once you get up to the 1400 watt range though, I get a little bit worried maybe.